Today's Friday, January 26, 2024. We've had monsoon rains on and off the last 2 days. And here we are on our street on this little canal that goes underneath the road here. Right over to this side. Here, you can take that side. This is the highest I've ever seen this since I've been here now more than a year and a half. That's a lot of water, and all the surrounding property is flooded. Let's keep going until we get up to the property here and see what it looks like. It looks like it's receded already. Piece of bamboo, that's nice. You can show the water coming right off the road here and everything too. It's going right across the road. And these are all full over here now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, take them. They're all full, and this is Moy's palm and bananas, and let's see here, yeah, all those trenches are full. So the bananas will be doing well here in another week. That's a lot of water. Bamboo lives as water. Look at this side over here, honey. This is the rubber farm across the way. Didn't even notice it. Totally flooded. Let's see what the pond looks like over here. Oh. So there's a path underneath here. I didn't notice a pipe underneath here. Because it's all draining here. Water we got. And this is the jackfruit. I don't see too much standing water in there, even though it's designed for it.
Okay.
Wonder how his pond up here did. Didn't seem
It's
like
okay.
It's overflowing. Yeah, that's good.
Bye bye.